I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video link to your Instagram story. So let's go ahead and find the video on YouTube. So as you see here, I have a video that I want to share on my Instagram story, but we're going to make this look really clean. So go ahead and take a snapshot of the thumbnail of the video that you want to share. So I'm going to click and take a screenshot, and then I'm just going to crop this so that it shares what I want it to share, and go ahead and hit that check mark at the top right hand corner, and we're going to save it to our photos. So from this point forward, go ahead and click on the video. Doesn't really matter that the video plays, but we just want some of the options here. So as you see underneath the title, it has all of their stuff here, the like and dislike button and all those things, but you also have a share button here too, and it's that small little arrow right next to the like and dislike area. So go ahead and hit share, and we're going to just very simply copy this link because it's the link of the video. So from here, go out of YouTube, we're going to go to our Instagram, and we're going to add a story like we normally would. Add to your story. So from here, let's go ahead and choose that snapshot that we took. We can resize this and do anything that we really want to. So now what we're going to do is post the link or share the link. So let's go to the stickers icon at the far right side, and we're going to go ahead and hit link. And from here, you can click and hold, and it's going to give us the option to paste that link here. Go ahead and hit done. And now you have a nice clean link to the video that you want to share. Now you have the thumbnail to share, and we can go ahead and hit the arrow like we normally would at the bottom right hand corner, and then go ahead and share this to your story like you normally would. And that's it. It's super simple, super easy, and it looks nice and neat and clean, and that's it.